So one of the things I really love about LPT Realty is that they give you this fantastic white box. And this is a full 188-piece marketing solution. Giant door hangers, which is, you cannot miss these. They fill half the door. So it's a fantastic marketing piece for anybody that's trying to market themselves within an area of their listing. One thing I really love is they give you these business cards that come with every package. And one of the great things about these business cards is that they have your home, your listed home, on the back end of the business card. So every business card that I hand out over the next few weeks is going to have our listed property on the actual business card, promoting that property, and again, killing it in the marketing space. There's a whole series of just listed postcards, and these postcards are fantastic. You can give them out at your open houses. You can give them out to local businesses, and again, they have a great presence, and they also have a text option here where you can text the information on the postcard and it will actually do a lead capture that comes straight into your system. One of the great things about this text option is a lot of people, when they're at an open house, are a little bit shy. They don't want to talk to you too much because they don't want to disclose all of their likes and dislikes while they're walking through the house. But later they can go home, sit with their spouse, sit with their family, and they often will text you at that point. And that's when you're able to capture the lead. Again, a fantastic marketing option, bringing lead gen into your system. It also comes with this incredible thank you card, which is always a great thing when you're having an open house, to thank people for coming to see you. It's polite. It gives people the impression that you care about them, and they didn't just come through your open house, which you're hosting. It makes them feel, gives them that warm and fuzzy feeling, and ultimately that drives to sales at the end of the day. One of the other fantastic marketing pieces is your just listed. This is a 8.5 by 11-ish. 8.5 by 11? 8.5 and 11 by 11 postcard. It's got all your pictures on the back, your photo of your agent, all your contact information. It's really another great, beautifully printed on a fantastic cardstock. You guys are going to love this. It's a great piece. Here. This is one of my favorite pieces. These are sign riders. You can hang this below your sign, and they, again, gives you a text option here. This text option will route directly into your CRM, which is, again, provided by the company. One of the things I love about LPT is the fantastic tech stack that they provide. And these tech stacks are filled with CRM, lead nurture, AI texting, AI calling. It's got all kinds of different fantastic marketing opportunities that are built within their technology platforms. And this just adds to it. A lot of people, again, will be a little bit shy. They don't necessarily want to go into a house, or they're shy to call the agent, but they will always text first to see all the information about the house, what's happening inside the house, and so forth. What a lot of people do here is that they'll put the more, not the public information on a listing, but they might add things like utility costs and various items like that to the listing that you can get through this text option. So aside from the giant door hangers, we also have the regular size door hangers, which are just the right size and hang on most every door. And again, it's just marketing collateral, printed assets that people really, nowadays, some people love AI, some people are getting away from it, but the printed material never goes away. And marketing is everything in real estate. So make sure you're marketing your house properly. LPT does it correct, does it right, and they give you all of these marketing collateral pieces for free. All you have to do is pay the shipping to get it to your door. But they do own the printing press, so they don't charge you for all this fantastic collateral.